Hi guys, happy Monday. How you guys doing? So I thought I'd hop on here real quick. I'm fixing to make dinner and I'm gonna do a quick keto taco soup in the Instant Pot. Hi Ann, how are you? So for this recipe, you're gonna need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temp, and you need to cut it into cubes. You'll be adding this and heavy cream after it's done pressurizing. I always use Philadelphia because it's the least amount of carbs. It's personal preference, but that's what I do. A cup of shredded cheddar cheese, or like a Fiesta blend cheese. 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel, a 32-ounce container of beef broth. And I did get the unsalted because a lot of the times I find the salted is just too much sodium for me. So I go ahead and get the unsalted if they have it, and then I'll add in a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. Hi Enrique. Hi Samir. 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. If you're strict keto, you're going to want to go ahead and make up your own taco seasoning. 2 tablespoons of dried onion, a 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper, and a 1/2 cup of cream. And that's it, guys. It's really quick, really simple. Hi, Audra. How are you, sweetie? I hope all is well. Okay, so I went ahead and cooked up my ground beef. I did go ahead and put my dried onion in with the hamburger and cooked it that way. So I've already got the ground beef in here. Now we're going to start adding our Rotel. And Rotel is just diced tomatoes with green chilies. So we're going to do 2 cans of that. I don't know how my husband's going to react because it is diced tomatoes, but we'll see. 2 cans of Rotel. We're going to put our beef broth in, 32 ounces. So we're just going to pour that in. As you're hopping on, go ahead and drop live in the comments. If you're catching me on the live, you'll know I'm live because the little red button up there will say live. If that's not there, I'm so sorry you missed me, but go ahead, tap my nose, 3 buttons up at the corner there. If you touch that, you'll get a drop down, and go ahead and push to be notified whenever I go live. And we're going to put our taco seasoning in, 3 tablespoons of that. How was everybody's weekend? Did you guys do anything fun? We had a great one. We took the grandkid and 2 of our daughters to the Renaissance Festival. That's always a lot of fun. Had a turkey leg. That was awesome. Hi, Bessie. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And that's it for now. Let me go ahead and get this on. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on. That's what it looks like. Whoop, I about spilt that, guys. That would have been awful. Put the lid on it. And then we're going to make sure that the lever is pushed to the middle. And then I'm going to hit manual, and I'm going to set the timer for 6 minutes. Now, I will be dropping the recipe for you guys. I also will be dropping it into a keto group that I belong to if you would like in there. It's a pretty cool group. Lots of recipes, great community. And they have a few meal plans now. We started out with just the one, but now we also have one that is kid-friendly. Just all sorts of cool stuff going on. Okay, so we've got this set for 6 minutes. And so we'll let that go. When it's done, we're going to go ahead and turn it off. But we're going to quick release this. You know, we're just going to push this to the side here, let it quick release the pressure. But we're going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes in here before we open up the lid. Okay, and then once we open up our lid, we're going to take our room temperature cream cheese that's been cut into cubes. Hi, Shannon, you caught me. We're going to cube this up into little cubes, right? It's room temp. We're going to put that in, and we're also going to put a half a cup, let me double check. Yeah, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna stir that up, and we could even put it on saute just until the cheese melts. We'll also be putting in our grated cheddar cheese, a cup of that. And we're just gonna let it melt, stir it up, and we're good to go. You could also, if you like sour cream, you could put a little of that on the top when you serve it. Hi, Katrina. You could put a little bit of cilantro on the top. So, yeah, just a really quick and easy. You know, I like quick and easy, guys. I don't like to be in the kitchen very long. But, yeah, so that's what we've got going on tonight. Like I said, oh, and if you want in that group, drop group in the comments. And also shoot me a friend request, because I can't add you to my keto group unless we're friends. Not my rules, it's Facebook rules. So it just makes stuff a lot easier. Hi, Biv. How are you doing, hun? Hi, Amy. So yeah, I think I've went through everything. Oh, please share it out for me also. I would really appreciate it. You can share it out to any keto groups, to a friend. If a friend, you know, don't just be putting it on her page if she doesn't want it there. But if you think she would be interested and get a little bit of value from it, feel free to share out to friends. Hi, Mary. Hi, Claudine. I think I've got everybody. I want to be sure to say hi to everybody. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. And thank you so much for hopping on and spending your time with me. I know how precious time is. It's one thing that we never can get back, and I truly do appreciate getting to spend a little bit of time with you. Also, if you guys ever have any questions on keto or low carb, what you can eat, what you can't eat, go ahead and shoot me that friend request and message me. You can get a hold of me anytime. I'm really easy to get a hold of. So, but anyway, I love and appreciate all of you. You guys have a great rest of your evening. I will be getting on again sometime this week with a creamy lime cilantro chicken. I thought it sounded good. So we're going to give that a shot. So I will see you guys probably Wednesday. Love you guys. Bye.